up everyone, it's your girl Winnie and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. This video is the get ready with me video. It is not your average get ready with me, it's your get ready with me during a snowstorm or for a snowstorm. So I have a few things to do to prepare for the snowstorm, or at least before it comes. I have a bed sheets that I need to go wash. I have to go grocery shopping, duh. And I have to clean, because what's better than a clean house? You know, not just for a snowstorm, but all the time. And yeah, you might see a few other things in this video, like a prank, I think. Yeah. So just stay tuned, guys, and keep watching.
First stop, Dollar General.
Look at you guys.
Okay. That's fresh Coral Blast.
Maybe I'll go with this one.
Yeah, that one has OxyClean.
Yeah.
After this, where are we going?
I don't know.
But I need.
These are like the best.
Oh, talking about that, I need some Airwick. I love when my house smells good, y'all. This one smells pretty good.
Alright, let's stick to the one that I normally do. And that's it. We have what we came for. Buddy, I hope I don't look like a little nugget. You better. Where do we put that? I look like a little chicken nugget.
This place is a mess. Got the slippers on.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I said, what's up with that Patron tonight? Is we drinking or is we drinking?
Sugar. Are you gonna shovel your way to my house?
Honey.
Are you gonna sister shovel?
In my trunk.
Yeah, you're gonna sister shovel from your house to my house?
Winnie. I'm gonna be on my way. I have everything I need in my trunk.
You better have salt with you too, all that.
I'm bringing the sugar. I'm not ready.
Cause I'm plowing and I'm swimming through the snowstorm.
Winnie,
Swimming my way through the snowstorm. Oh my God, my toes are freezing.
Oh man, Winnie.
I can't feel my legs.
And now I'm
My toes are red. And I got icicles in the form of boogers.
Winnie,
Right, so Haiti, listen, Haiti, today you're gonna today you're gonna swim your way to my house, right?
Yeah.
Through that snowstorm. And
Yeah.
tomorrow you're gonna, did I? Oh, I can bleep it out.
Ice skate.
So tomorrow you're going to ice skate in the freaking freezing rain with a 0 temperature. You're gonna ice skate your way to Little TJ concert. I'm going to Little TJ's concert and nobody can tell me nothing.
This is the best time to come to the salon because there's barely
It's gonna rain at 3 a.m.
Yeah, there's barely anyone there. Why? because it's gonna snow. Honey. So yeah, we'll see you later. Call us later when you get out of there.
Alrighty.
Bye.
Bye.
Here we come.
What do you think?
I don't know. Stop it.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Este no sirve.
So guys, what I'm getting here is some chicken, some fresh chicken. I know y'all seen that I already went food shopping and bought meat and all that good stuff, but there's just one certain place that we like to get our chicken from. So yeah, gonna do that. I got my chicken. So it's already starting to snow a little bit. Yay! My son Jay, you know, he just has to be in the camera. And yeah, we're just trying to hurry up. So I just made it home. I am about to go through my fridge, throw out whatever I don't want, whatever might be expired. And yeah, I'm gonna clean the fridge and put all my groceries away. Then I am going to clean my house, because a nice clean home with a full fridge is the best during a snowstorm. So stay tuned.
Get
fridge is looking like.
A lot of stuff
Once it's
packed.
clean, in my freezer, and everything is put away.
Dip to the top.
My brother.
Great.
Let a friend unlock your door.
Everything's doing that.
Hi. Say hi. 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 The sour head challenge. No, wait. Dang.
Damn.
Ready? The sour head challenge. Show them.
What happened? Yo, is that enough?
Show them.
Damn, you
Is that
farted.
enough?
Nemo, back up. And go. 1, 2, 3. Whoever could eat it, swallow it fast.
Eat it all at once.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Jay, eat it all.
Who's gonna win?
Puñeta!
Get a neck.
Let me see.
Get a neck.
Let me see the sour shit. Let me see the sour shit.
Get a neck.
I smell that shit.
Preston make a gay face. And look at him. He even spit it out.
Yo.
Nigga, that shit's spicy.
Oh, wow. Dwayne's a G. Look at him. He eating it.
Nigga, I knew something was wrong. That taking
I think Kayla put one in her mouth.
Oh, shit.
She's saboreando something.
How is it, Dwayne? Delicious? Yeah, boy.
Okay. I ate it all.
Yo, Nemo, please tell me when he's sleeping so I can come up through.
I ate it all. Winnie.
I'ma
Good
do what I
job.
did. You haven't seen what I did to Joanna? You guys seen it,
What
right?
was it that you put in her
Hey.
Ya, nigga, ya. Pero ya está bueno.
Baila. Stupid. This is